The Hamm DL10 road roller is a machine from the 1950s and has been modelled by NZG. It comes in a box style that pretends to be old, but unfortunately there's no information about the real machine. Inside is the usual two-part polystyrene trays, and the model is contained within the trays, wrapped in some tissue. There are no instructions supplied, and really none are required because this is a simple model and it comes fully assembled. Let's have a quick look around the details. The roller drum is metal and there's a very nice Hamm badge on the front nose. Underneath, the details are fairly simple with an exhaust and another pipe. The roller drums have access plates, the lights and spray bar are fitted, the engine cover straps are neatly painted, and there's plenty of bolt details within the casting. At the rear, the drum scrapers and cutters are modelled, and there's a non-functioning towing hitch. And inside the cab, there's a neat looking steering wheel, and the spray bars are mounted over the rear drums. Most of the finer details on the model are provided by the use of plastic, including the cutters at the rear and the steering wheel and control lever in the cab, although the colour match on those is very good and doesn't look bad on the model at all. Also plastic are the scrapers just in front of the rear drums and the access step next to it, and at the front there's a small plastic shackle which is there as a kind of a towing hitch, and that's a good detail. The features on the model are few and simple. Firstly, this orange version of the model failed the rolling test, as the drums won't turn when you push it along a surface, even though they do turn smoothly, but it's because of the cutters at the rear position too low. But the front drum steers nicely and also oscillates to a good angle. Although this particular orange version of the model doesn't roll so well, things are much better on the other green version, where just pushing it along sees the drums turn very nicely. The Hamm DL10 is a pleasant enough model by NZG. There's enough detail to look good, even if the features are a bit limited, but it's an interesting historic model, and if you like that sort of thing, it's recommended.